You're in construction and business is booming, but competition is fierce. We're going to see explosive growth in the number of public construction projects that'll be built over the next decade. Buildings and infrastructure projects abound. Cities, counties, colleges, universities, states, even the federal government. The cash to fund these projects is flowing, and it's going to be a building bonanza. But you're not the only person to make this observation, and the competition to win these public projects will be a battle royale between you and your competitors. If you're watching this video, we're guessing you either own a construction company, or you're an executive, senior manager, business developer, or marketing professional that works for a construction company and is looking for that edge, that one missing piece you need to get over the hump and win that project. You need an edge, and that's where Preswerx comes in. We're your missing puzzle piece. Here at Preswerx, we know construction. Our principals have been in the AEC industry for a long time. Here's what we've observed. Contractors love to spend time and money pursuing a project, but when the rubber meets the road and you actually have to go through a competitive selection process, you stall out at the starting line and never recover. After the race is over, everyone huddles up in the conference room, you reflect on the loss, and you ask yourself, why do we keep coming up short? You did the upfront work, you met with the owner, you may have even hired a lobbyist, yet you didn't win. Heck, you might not even have gotten shortlisted. You get the idea, we've all been there. There's a simple reason you didn't win. There are gaps in your approach. It's okay, because you're not alone. Every construction company has these gaps. Your principals, executives, and senior managers are running around dealing with more important things, like running a company and building buildings. And your marketing professionals are busy juggling a long list of other initiatives, like managing and building the company's brand or maintaining the company's presence on social media. Like a neglected puppy, everyone is focused on everything but the creation of that proposal book. And although that's normal, it's costing you a fortune in lost opportunity. And when your team does manage to come together to get the proposal book done, it doesn't contain or communicate the deep technical approach that's often required to get shortlisted and win. And let's be real, it turns into a real snooze fest for the selection committee. Enter Preswerx. Remember, we're your knights in shining armor. No more copy-pasting from your last proposal book. We're going to work with the principals, executives, senior managers, in-house marketing professionals, and business developers at your firm to create compelling, project-specific proposal books. We'll investigate and analyze the details of the project you're chasing, construction means and methods, issues related to constructability, schedules, cost considerations, everything. And we'll work directly with your team to create a highly technical, thoroughly customized proposal book that speaks specifically to the needs of your prospective client and their project. The selection committee will go from dozing off to gushing over your proposal book. Once you're shortlisted, we'll work with you to create a dynamite presentation. Let's be honest. How many times has your team put together a presentation only to make a ton of changes all the way up until the night before the actual presentation? Getting your project managers and superintendents to present well is already a challenge. It becomes way more difficult when you're making wholesale changes to the presentation up until the last minute. That's okay. That's why you hired us. We're going to lead the presentation preparation and rehearsal process, working hand in hand with your principals, executives, and senior managers, and with your in-house marketing professionals and business developers to create jaw-dropping presentations. Seriously, you've never seen anything like it. We're going to be there with you in your office, coaching up your operations team on how best to deliver the presentation. We're going to turn your team of presenters from presentation duds to presentation studs. And here's what's really cool. Preswerx has an arsenal of technology at your disposal in delivering the presentation. We can roll into presentations with multiple high-definition TVs, virtual and augmented reality headsets, and other devices that will give you a distinct advantage when delivering your presentation. While your competitors are delivering their presentation on a dinky, decades-old projector and screen, you'll be delivering your presentation using the technology of tomorrow. That's our secret sauce. Better technical proposal books, better technical presentations and training, better technology. Call us, hire us, and let's go win some projects.